In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded template you can reuse for campaigns, newsletters, and announcements. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for the brand you're building for, and that your sending domain is verified so your emails land in the inbox reliably. Head to the marketing section. This is where all your outbound assets live. Open emails to access the email area, then switch to the Templates tab. Templates let you design once and reuse forever, which keeps your branding consistent and saves time. Create a new template. For this walkthrough, choose a blank template so you're starting from scratch. You could also begin from a pre-built layout if you want a quick head start, but blank gives you full control. Next, select the design editor. This is the visual drag-and-drop builder that's fastest for most users. If you prefer to hand code, the HTML or code editor gives you total control. And if you want the simplest, most lightweight messages, a plain text option focuses purely on content without design elements. Give your template a clear name, a simple naming convention like brand, newsletter, month, or brand. Promo. Audience makes it easy to find later. Drag in the logo block and drop it at the top. Your logo sets brand recognition immediately, builds trust, and orients readers. Link it to your homepage, use a crisp file, and keep the size reasonable so load times stay fast. Add a text block for your intro copy. Keep it friendly and concise, and consider personalizing with merge fields so each recipient feels the message was written for them. Short paragraphs and plenty of white space improve readability. Customize your heading. Make it the hero of the email with a strong, benefit-focused line. Match your brand font and colors, maintain high contrast for accessibility, and keep it scannable. Insert an image block to highlight a product, a hero banner, or a key visual. Always add alt text for accessibility, and compress the image to reduce load time. Drop in a button for your main call to action. Use an action verb, set a high contrast brand color, and link it to the exact page you want. Keep one primary CTA to avoid distraction. Add social icons so readers can follow you beyond the inbox. Only include channels you actively update. Place a footer with your business details and required compliance elements. A clear footer boosts credibility and helps with deliverability. Finally, click Save Template. Preview on desktop and mobile, and send a quick test to confirm links and formatting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.